Hi guys, you're welcome back. I've brought to you another mind-blowing opportunity, and this is a fully funded opportunity for you to travel to the United States of America as well as France absolutely for free. You don't need a dime to apply for this program. All you need to do is just get ready to enjoy yourself all the way from your country, especially if you're from Africa, Asia, the Middle East, and the Latin America, that's the Caribbean. Just get ready, put your things together, and be ready to enjoy your trip to the United States as well as France for free. Your flight ticket will be taken care of, your feeding, your accommodation, and every cost that would be incurred on these journeys. I call it journeys because you're going to go to the United States first for the summit, and you're going to have to move to France for the other leg of the summit. You don't have anything to lose, guys. I just attended a fully funded conference too just this month. I didn't pay a dime. All I needed to do was just pack my things and enjoy the trip. Everything was fully funded. So it didn't cost me anything. I just had fun and enjoyed myself. So you can do so too. And the most interesting part of this program is that there is no age limit. Once you are 16 years and above, you are qualified. So another good thing about it is, like I mentioned, no application fee. Most conferences like this, you have to pay a token, but this particular opportunity that I have brought to you today, you don't need to make any payment to apply. No application fee. So here is the application process overview. The application process for admission to the Climate Fellows program is done entirely online. And there is no application fee or other cost to apply or participate. So all fellows cost for Yale Orientation Week and Harry Closing Week will be covered by the program. Did you just hear that? Everything, all cost incurred, is on them, not on you. Your round trip airfare, your hotels, transfers, and per diem would be sponsored by them. So prior to the deadline, you may work on your application at any time and submit it when you are ready. After creating an account and accessing the online application, you can upload materials and request your letter of recommendation. So applicants are required to submit a resume, that's your curriculum vitae, a maximum of 3 pages, and a personal statement, maximum of 600 words, and 1 letter of recommendation. Applicants also have the option of submitting a brief video statement. So this is not compulsory, but just to make your application look attractive, you might want to drop that. So I'm going to take you through the process of applying. I'm going to show you the deadline and all the documentation you need just to ensure that your application is successful. Are you ready? Please, before we go, kindly give me a like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. I love you guys. Thank you so much. We're on 4,000 subscribers. Thank you for the massive support. And another thing I want to quickly state is, if you don't mind me bringing you opportunities, I would help you migrate to any other country apart from Canada. Please drop it in the comment section. I want all my subscribers to participate in this. I've been focusing on Canada alone. Please let me know so that I'll be able to see how many people are interested in those selected countries, and I will begin to bring you various opportunities that have to do with those countries. So please, if you're interested in any other country apart from Canada, drop it in the comment section. So without further ado, let's check out the application requirements. So to apply for this program, applicants should be between 5 and 10 years into their professional careers with demonstrated accomplishment at a regional, national, and international level. While there is no maximum age limit, we are looking for young leaders to launch the program. So They are just launching the program. Applicants must be representatives of the global south. We look forward to welcoming a diverse representative from developing Africa, Asia, the Middle East, and Latin American or Caribbean. So if you are in any developed country, I'm sorry, you are not eligible. They are only accepting applications from the developing countries that I've just mentioned. So if you're from Nigeria, Kenya, Togo, whatever in Africa, Asia, Middle East, please apply. Then you must be fluent in English. An excellent command of the English language is essential to successfully participating in the program. So they just want to know you can communicate in English. Probably that's why they ask you to do a short video of you speaking in English. So you just want to add that to it. So IMA fellows must be available to fully participate in person for 2 weeks of the program. Yale Orientation Week comes up on the 7th of April to 11th, 2025. That is the first round in the United States, and the Paris Closing Week in France comes up 15th to 19th September 2025. So you're going to go to US, come back, then go to Paris. So, and fellow must also be available to participate in the 5 remote learning journeys to be arranged remotely between May and early July 2025. So this is an amazing opportunity you don't want to miss, because it's going to open up more opportunities. This kind of program, of course, you'll be able to network. You might even be able to get opportunities that will make you stay permanently in either of these countries. You cannot attend this program remotely. They said you have to be present in the United States and in France. So I'm so excited, guys. I'm just so excited. You don't want to sleep on it. So when is the deadline? The application deadline is Friday, November 8th, 2024, 12 p.m. So now let me take you through the application. So follow this link. I'm going to drop it in the video description. So this is the online application. The first thing you want to do is to create an account, because you're a first-time user. You want to drop your email address, your first name, and your last name. Just click on continue. The pin to confirm your email address has been sent. Just pick the pin and drop it here. You click on login. You're asked to create your password. Just ensure that it obeys these rules by the right. So once it obeys this rule, just click set password. So here is the online application. Just click on start new application. So once you click start new application, you click on create application. So it brings you here. You click on open application. So click on continue, and here you fill your personal details, your first name, middle name, surname, your country, your city, your postal code, and your telephone number, your birth date, your country, your primary citizenship. You click on continue, and then go ahead to complete your application and upload your documents. That's your resume, letter of recommendation, and all of that.